Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Once there, pick Desktop and Screensaver from the sidebar so you can see current options. Make sure you have the image you want ready, either a PNG/JPG file in Finder or one of the built-in wallpapers. This first step establishes the target control panel and confirms your image source, so you can change the background without hunting for files later. Now you choose the image and method to set it. Click any built-in wallpaper or open Photos to pick an album and thumbnail. Doing that applies the image instantly so you can preview results. If your image is in Finder, drag it into the desktop preview area or click the plus button to add a folder containing multiple images. Once done, adjust fit options, fill, fit, stretch, so the image scales correctly. This ensures the background looks intentional rather than cropped or pixelated. Finish by refining settings and confirming the change. Choose Fill, Fit, Stretch, Center, or Tile to control how the image displays, and enable dynamic or automatic rotation if you want changing backgrounds. Make sure to close System Settings after you're satisfied so Mac OS persists the selection. If the background doesn't update, restart System Settings or log out and back in. Also check Finder file permissions and ensure the image isn't on an unmounted external drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.